Welcome speech, Sri V.K. Haryuma, Secretary General PNC.
Chairman of the meeting, Advocate K.K. Bose, Chairman of Unity in Diversity and Global Dialogue Foundation, Mrs. Maya Shahani, Chairperson, Sage Foundation, Priest Jose Nandikara, Director, Center for World Religions, respected Srimad Brahmachari Bhargavaram, Sri Ramadasa Ashramam, Trivandrum, respected Peter George, CEO and Coordinator, Forum Delegates, organizers, support partners, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome such a distinguished gathering of eminent personalities representing the various fields of culture, peace and development. In my capacity as Secretary General of Pravasi Nivasi Cultural Association, PNCA, as well as co-partner of Unity in Diversity Forum, I would like to say that this is a highly prestigious forum and first of its kind in India, holding under the auspices of the United Nations Alliance Civilizations. The earlier Unity in Diversity Forum was held in Melbourne, Australia during October 2010 by Global Dialogue Foundation and United Nations Cultural Alliance of Civilization. The United Nations Alliance of Civilization consider the Trivandrum Conference as an important step to forward for a broad debate with key partners in India. Global Dialogue Foundation, Sage Foundation, Peaceworks and Pravasi Nivasi Cultural Association under the auspices of United Nations Alliance of Civilization have organized a 3-day forum in Trivandrum. The Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, the Minister for Home, Vigilance and Tourism, the Minister for Education and Culture, the Leader of Opposition and senior officials of Government of Kerala, they all have offered full support to this forum. The United Nations Alliance of Civilization was established in 2005 to promote peace by engaging political, religious and community leaders in dialogue and practical action on long understanding divisions between cultures. For want of time, I shall not speak now in detail about our organization or its activities, that is about the Pravasi Nivasi Cultural Association. The details necessary are available in the papers circulated. Now I shall pass on the duty assigned to me, that is to welcome the gathering. Now, the Chief Minister is not here, even though his presence is not here. He has agreed, it is our privilege that the Chief Minister of Kerala has actually consented to come over here and inaugurate this function. But unfortunately, due to certain personal reasons, he is not coming. Anyhow, I am using this opportunity to extend my heartfelt welcome to Sri B.S. Achuvananthan, Chief Minister of Kerala. Advocate K.K. Bose is the chairman of this forum, that is Unity in Diversity. He is also the chairman of Global Dialogue Foundation. I extend you, sir, very hearty welcome. The chairperson of Sage Foundation and the vice chairperson of Unity in Diversity Forum, Mrs. Maya Shahani, has been kind enough to grace this function by her presence and participation. I welcome you, madam, most sincerely for this function. We have among us now very important dignitaries representing the spiritual life of Kerala. One, our Srimad Brahmajari Bhargavaram of Sri Ramadasa Asrama, and another, the Director of World Religions, I extend a very respectful and sincere welcome to Priest Jose Nandikara and Brahmajari. I will be failing in my duty if I don't mention now the participation of delegates representing different walks of life who have come to take part in the ensuing sections. I have to mention with a special importance that the delegates include foreign dignitaries and men of eminence. With all my respect, I extend a very warm welcome to all the delegates, organizers and support partners of this forum. Welcome to God's own country, Kerala. Last but not the least, I welcome all those who have assembled here to make this function a grand success. Once again, welcome to all. Thank you. Mr. Peter Gioski. Actually, he is the co-founder and CEO. Anyhow, I am extending my heartfelt welcome to Mr. Peter. Thank you.